thing is, he's allowing it. He's allowing it. Why shouldn't he?
Guys, I was actually thinking, I'm still trying to understand what actually goes through Tandaga's mind when she decides, you know what, I'm gonna leave all the things from the bathroom, I'm gonna go to the kitchen to wash my face, to do my skincare routine in the kitchen on top of the dishes. Oh my gosh, even if there are no dishes, that is wrong, but on top of the dishes, you wash your sponge, you wash your face, your everything on top of the dishes that people are gonna still use. You steam using the kitchen pots, and people still use those pots to cook. And I'm like, yo, Tandega, if you were doing this in your own place where you stay alone, understandable, but now you are sharing these plates, these pots with everyone else in the house. You don't think of them, you're thinking of your skincare routine. Guys, if someone's defends what Tandega did today, I will definitely question them and how they think. You sometimes you just have to leave stenship aside and call out BS, because what she did is BS, honestly speaking.
You know, there are days where I actually watch Big Brother and I ask myself, let me kuba yenu guys on the show ni tatapi, because how are you washing your face kitchen in the sink? Kunezija ezingcolile. And then the logic from the fans are that no, is it just ngcolile? So it won't really make a difference. Okay, so please explain ukuthi njengoba azostima in a pot that supposedly was actually used by Ramona, by the way, so it wasn't actually the same pot that was allocated to her. Why you steamer? There are two pots. One of them was open and it had food. Wafunuk steamer. Pam gwale guys. So you're telling me in all of that, this person was too lazy to go to the bathroom, too lazy to go to the basin, to go and wash their face, to go and rinse their mouth, whatever the case may be. You had to just do it in the kitchen. You're sharing a space with other people. The place in which you did all of that was in the kitchen where food is made. And not so long ago, I think this was on Monday when King Wanda had won HOH, kukhulunywa nge-hygiene, kukhulunywa ngokuthi kushiwa in and whatever. The same person also left itissue makaqeda ukuyofinya or to whatever she was doing. Why ishiya khona lapho by the sink? Kopalemiseng vescopis because hayiyo ntho ayetsang motho. And then for you guys to say, I'm going to Italy, so we go Italy right now. Nalo ska tlo mpora shem motho alona ha di rimzala azithi cousins.
Yabona nje guys masizokhuluma singakudlisana. Lento ebenziwe uthandeke iroom nje noma ningathi senigugulishile kuthiwa kunormal ugeza esinkini wezitsha nithi nina futhi aniqali yabelungu bahlezi bekwenza begeza ingane kusinki osekitchen cool bake bageza phe wezitsha lapho enigugulishe khona kuthiwe ku right noma kunezitsha. Hayi guys ngeke izitsha ezophinde zidle bani futhi lezo izitsha ngibuza lade nigugulisha khona bashilona ukuthi like kusinki full of dirty dishes futhi noma ngabe zi-dirty noma ngabe zi-clean izitsha at the end of the day zophinde zidluba. Hayi guys ngeke ezizinto normal for abelungu mhlawumbe abanaki thina blacks siyanaka guys ngeke hygiene ibalulekile ayibu awama ubabhulisha abantu lento ade yenza phela sezomele bedla ubuso bakhe uzwenze njani zoyilahle ikhapha. Hayi guys futhi uqala ikhapha ayibonakali nje ikhapha mhlawumbe ziyafana ngazi uzofika uthathe kanti uthatha leni ubuso bakhe. Hayi guys hawu kahleni guys ngeke ngiyemzondi imashe zingesifo vempatha ngimzondi kodwa guys be room le yana. Hayi hawu noma nathi kugugushile be room nje hibo kodwa ningakhohlwa uvote kulili liyema ningakhohlwa uvote ngwakusasa uzobe mengenyawo sasa uzobe emile ngoba futhi uyivila futhi nokwini head of house uzoba mile. Okay vele head of house izodlalwa idlala qala i-head of house challenge kuzi nomination but still ngeze iwini uyividlana awulazy shame umuntu wami kodwa ngikhohlwa umvote.
But ndumela nani gire ake address mari akere chomelo na anza stimela moteng ga pizza. And yesterday was the last straw for some people. Rona sale really mo last strong ku pizza. But yesterday was the last straw for some people. ha le boneng ngwanyana a dira ka bomo mare because yaanong ha re sa tlhole re kgona go blame botsenwa ha re sa tlhole re kgona go blame the mental health issue because o ira ka bomo o batla batho ba bue ha go ntse yana na re o stima sefatlhego o ka re Ramona na berekisa pizza Ramona ntsha whatever na berekisa ka pizza ga ge ya stimang ka yone a stima sefatlhego ke yo yaanong o tswa go tlhapela sefatlhego mo teng ga sinke ena le dikotlolo. And her fans went to Google to ask if it's perfectly fine to wash your face in a kitchen sink. Why are you going to such lengths? Because anybody can put anything on Google. It doesn't justify it. Ma'am, I'm gonna need you to step up and step forward. That is the way the Italians do it. Italians go back to factory setting. It's Zulu people complaining about that nonsense predominantly because there's no South African household that can allow that. I don't care how clean your sink is. Why? Like bothata ba bathroom ke bothata ba go tlhapela sefatlhego ko bathroom ke or at least nka ba kopile Big Brother Vascomo ge ha go le thata kopa Vascomo or bucket o nne le do tsa like you know what, this is how you know gore standship ke standship for real. Lady Stalker fan hali berekisi modula oblonga tattoo hali berekisi common sense because you are not going to support that behavior even if it's your favorite. Mari, you guys are standing 10 toes down. Icona hali.
Good morning, guys. I hope you're good. I just woke up and I think I'm mad. Poof, I don't think I'm mad. I'm actually mad. I need you guys to make it make sense to me why in your flippant mind you would think that it's okay to go to the kitchen, wash your face, wash your face, right? And you wash it in a sink where there are dishes. What makes me so mad is the fact that there's 2 sink basins, right? One has dishes, one is empty. You choose to go wash off your mask, whatever you applied on your face. You choose to wash it off on a sink where there's dishes. You live with flippant people. A lot of people are living in that house. People are using those plates to eat. And you guys are normalizing that nonsense. No, we have to be honest at some point. I'm flipping crashing out because why would you go here as a fan? You go search Banangaba if it's okay to wash your face on a sink. Of course it's okay to wash your face off in a sink, but not in a kitchen in a house where there's people. There are people living in that flipping house. They are using those plates to eat. Ooh, I'm so mad. Guys, defenses gathandeka sana. Guys, it doesn't make sense. It's not normal. Stop normalizing nonsense. It's not normal.
Hi guys. Last time I did a video. Gathandeka the way as would somebody so people were offended. Some people they were disagreeing with me in the comment section. But hey, we're now hella TV. Hey, also Thandeka the way don't watch Big Brother. Hey, what? Guys, whenever Thandeka is washing her face, most thinking in a lindibian. Like little pota hore into I right. Kinto right or at habes fatle homo thinking. Yadibian. Harry Rabulela, eh? Hasarate Thandeka, Tima TV. Eh, change the channel. Eh, what? Defense Thandeka. I never lam rata Thandeka, dilo tse Thandeka dirang sometimes. So nah, it's not like I'm a hater. I don't hate her. It's just that I don't like the way she does things. And I know her vele, there's nothing I can do, but it's just my opinion. It's my own opinion. Now you are entitled to your own opinion. So coming to my comment section and saying, oh, you don't watch Big Brother anymore, hey, switch off the TV, hey, when if you got a Big Brother, guys, the setting, guys.
No, Marina, man, right like her. Because I don't think she is. Because how can you be so this disrespectful to a point where now you're washing your face, ekishini? You're doing your skincare, ekishini, when there's a whole bathroom in the house. Make it make sense. Uthandeka she wants to hear hair ekishini, estofin, like pale like one. They are being like. Now she took her toiletries, in the kitchen sink. She took a pot. That's a bodo, like pegel wakon. But tell her a big stuffing, and then she steamed her face a stuffing. No, organs are Italy. Maybe this is nice. Should say Italy, that's what they do, but that's not hygienic at all. If Uklanabantu and also Abamba Pegalapo, like why? So Nina, my friends will think this is okay. This is fine for her to do. Kwameli doesn't even see anything wrong. He couldn't even say no. Taneglantes are wrong. Sidlela la sipegala. Kumnane juvila bitavi. Not a melwakon. Bayafanelana, you know what?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Big Brother viewers are very angry ngemva ukuthi babone Thandeka ageza buso lapha enikitchen esinkini lenetindishi nokhani. People are saying ukuthi this girl uyabadlisa tinsila njena uyinuku. Why is she doing that? Wegile emabhayizini emashawa wayekela kuya ngaphandle kumbe but wahamba uyogeza uyisinkini and wathi makafika lapha ekitchen futhi wangageza kule sinkile msiqho wathi nje ngifuna le sinkile netindishi ngigeze kuyo buso bami. People are saying ukuthi idodi leli abazivetela yona nje lapha ku Big Brother nalo Thandeka namafans akhe babhisi bamdefender le nto lela yenda kunjena i-wrong because udlisa abantu idodi. Do comment when your thoughts are down on the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.